Model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect 220 Trend Non-Runner CAMBELT Snap Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135,018. MOT, 24 April 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth putting in the work to getting this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095.